Hi everyone, my name is Audrey Thiel and this is my Tell Your Story video for my MDS 495 capstone class. To start us off, as I entered into the BAS and MDS program, I was a very devoted student to my schoolwork and I was very hard on myself if I didn't get the typical A on an assignment. I often did the work for my grades and not for myself. It caused a lot of stress and some anxiety that made me envy Boise State for making my school life so difficult and complex. I ended up getting on anxiety medication because I would make myself sick from the nerves and stress of different classes that I had. This often led myself to coming to class with an attitude and only participating if I had to, because I wanted the good grade in the class, not to learn something. Being in college was more of a chore and an expectation from my parents rather than doing something for myself. I was really on my last thread of holding on to the hope that I could graduate. I was tired and struggling, and I just needed a boost or something different that made me excited and motivated to graduate with a bachelor's degree again. Being on that was my last thread, coming into a program that is very student-centered and really cares about if their students make it in college became the turning point in my college career. With that being said, the MDS program has given me a different perspective regarding college education. They really want you to come in and to be successful, and it's kind of your own path of how you do it, and I think that's what I needed for myself because I'm working full-time, going to school is difficult, so I just needed something that I was able to get a college degree in and still be able to go down the path that I wanted, being a teacher. I have learned a lot of different stuff from this program. One of the biggest transformations I had within the program is learning the process of integrative thinking. The integrative thinking process has really changed my mindset on how I approach a conversation and change. Before the program, I really only thought that my opinion was right, and that kind of sounds horrible to say, but I really didn't care or to listen to anyone else, and if anyone ever really gave me the chance to tell me differently, it often led the conversation going south, and I would be very angry and mad at the person only because they had a different opinion than myself. And that's not really something that you can walk into with a job or even the real world. Everybody is different and you just have to adapt to what you're working with. And so it's okay to have your own opinion and everything, but still being open to listening to others, I think, is super important. With the process now, it has helped me to understand the importance and benefits of looking at different perspectives. At first, this was extremely challenging and made the process difficult for me. But now it has really helped me grow as a person in my professional and personal life. I am much more relaxed and open to other people. It is probably safe to say that it has made me a better person overall. A second transformational moment I had in the BAS and MDS program was when I felt the program better prepared me for a job force over any other program. I felt that this really gives me the tools on how I can function and work with people wherever I end up being, rather than if I was in a different specified program. It really only gave me the tools to be adequate and work within that job. So when I first switched to the program, I was a little nervous of how the program would provide me with skills that are better than other people. But over the last few courses I have taken, I feel that I am prepared for any job that I take because I've had the experience of working with multiple people and the collaborative experience it gives you within these different classes. The program really makes me more adaptable, collaborative, and improved my communication skills with these courses. And I think those are really the three things that a job is looking for. You can't really go into any work field without those different skills you have to be adaptable, communicate, and to work with people. So as a learner and a student, I feel that I will be more attentive, open-minded, and adaptable when I graduate from the BAS and MDS program. The courses within this program are designed for students to get experience on how to be an integral part of any role within a job force, not just a specific, role that you were assigned with when you graduated technically. This in turn makes myself better prepared and more qualified for any job that I am put in. The program also has such a great relationship with the students that it made me more excited about going to school again. Due to this program giving me motivation, I want to pursue an alternative teaching certification program for certification and possibly return back to Boise State to learn and obtain a master's degree within education. I think the biggest takeaway that I'm walking away with is that the program gave me motivation to become a certified teacher again, no matter what route that I take to go that way. And I think that's just really important for a student to have, is to know that there's not one specific way As long as you're getting to your goal that you want to meet, it will be okay. So thank you for watching.